Good morning, dear students of St. Andrews School. This is Dhambesh, your English PRT teacher. I hope you are staying home and safe. After summer vacation, we will again start this online videos. Dear students, this is your chapter number 6 from English reader book. The name of chapter is The Pied Piper. The Pied Piper, okay. And before narrating this story, dear students, there are some difficult words which we are going to come through in the process of explanation or narration of this chapter. So we should know the difficult words and their meanings are written at the right hand side. So dear students, let us, I'll give you some brief explanation of this chapter in the very short. So the present story is very interesting, dear students, and there is a city, Hamelin city is crowded with rats. Lots of rats are there. Then a man came who had to get the rid of the city of the rats. So basically, okay. So before going through this explanation of this, first of all we should know the meaning of grave. Grave means serious. Grave means serious, and rumbling. Rumbling means deep noise. Deep noise. Okay, in the games period, you people are going to after a lot of deep noise. Na? That is rumbling noise. Okay, scurried. Scurried means run fast. You are running fast to reach school when you are getting late. So run fast, or you are run for when you are playing cricket. You are running between the wickets are very fast. So you can say that scurried. Mayor. Mayor is friends like in our school. Principal is head of our school. And the mayor is head of city or town. Mayor is head of city and town. Okay. Now pleading means beg. Pleading means beg. Like you are unable to complete the homework today, you said to me that you plead to me, sir, please I'll complete my homework tomorrow. Please don't give me a punishment or imposition kind of activities. Okay. Now melodious. Melodious means very sweet voice. Okay. Scream means run, hurry, move hesitantly. Scream means move hesitantly or running in hurry. So let's begin this story, dear student. Once upon a time there is a town in Hamelin. Hamelin is a city, dear student. In Hamelin town is there. The problem of rats are there. Rats, lots of rats were there. Okay, the problem of rats were there. The rats were very fierce. They are found with dogs and cats and a bit of babies and cots, and they spoil the foods and eatables, and the peoples are very fed up of these rats. So they want to get rid out of this problem. So they went to the mayor office and asked him to do something about the rats. Something got to be done, said they, and we should elect. That is why we should elect you. Okay. So people go in the mayor's office near the mayor, and they requested him that you have to solve the problem of rats in our town, otherwise you have to resign, because we have elected you and we will select another mayor if you are unable to solve our problems. Okay. So mayor called the advisor and meeting and discussed the problem of these rats in their town. So how they walk, but sometimes a mysterious kind of man knocked the door and walked into the room, and he is very tall, thin, and blue eyes and yellow hair. He had bright feather on his cap, and a strange pipe was hung around his neck, and he said, I am a rescue king, a best and east. So he said, I have get rescue of bats earlier, bats, okay, and flies. So these is already bats and flies problem in the towns, another town. And if you want me to, if you promise me to give a bag of gold, I will solve the problem of this. So mayor agreed to give him a bag of gold, but he had to solve the problem of rats. And so what he did, he melodious tone. Melodious means sweet tone. Melodious tone. He played the melodious tone. All the rats Watching this, all the rats tumbling out of the houses, and the thousand of followed, and the pipe piper means like this kind of pipe, and escorted him after him. After some time they plunged into river and drowned, except one rat, who scrambled across the river and landed. The people of Hamlin were overjoyed, they became happy. Piper stayed away, went to mayor and said, "Where is give me my bag of gold." The mayor was not keen to pay the piper, so the gold and laughed him. He said, "I shall give you half of bag." He decided to give a bag of gold, but he gave half of the bag to him. But the mayor was not need of word. The piper went out. The piper grew very angry, and he said, "You made a promise to me that you will give after this, but you refused. So now what the piper, the mayor said, you have to pay for this." The piper went into the streets and played ever more delicious sound. Now this time what happened? All the children of the town, they gathered, and what he did, he is magician also. The piper took them to the hills and into a big gate and lay open. Soon what happened? All the children were lost out of the sight, and the people again gather and end up in front of mayor and crying helplessly. The mayor realizes his mistake, that he haven't paid the price to him. That's why he did in the same manner. So he promised once made should be kept. The piper said that in future you do not break your promise, and you should keep your promise. Your homes. The children went back to their homes, and pied paper walked away quietly. Was a big bag of gold. So basically, we summarize this chapter, dear student. There is one the pied piper who used to play melodious songs and unions and tones. Hamlin was a city. Here the problem of rats were there. Lots of rats were there. They used to spoil the fruits and roam here and there, and cats used to spoil the fruits, edible items, all kind of. While irritating this, they all went to mayor for this problem. He hired this pipe man, and he decided to give a bag of gold, but he refused. Then he disappear all the children of the tomb. Then king realized the mistake. So this is the story all about this. After reading this chapter, dear students, you read this chapter once again and try to locate the MC questions are there, and fill in the blanks are there, true and false are there. I will not tell you the whole question and answers and let us discuss the question and answer, but you should I want you to just read at home and try to find the answer at your home. Okay, so what trouble were the people of Hamlin facing? You all know what kind of problems they are facing. The rats, problem of rats. They are eating the grains and spoiling the edible items, cutting down the clothes and all kind of activities they are doing. Who are the mysterious man? Mysterious man is magician. You all know he is magician. He used to already solve cases of bats and flies in some other towns. Now he want to solve. He can easily solve the problem of rats. Okay. Why did the piper take the children to the hill? He took the children to the hill and he disappeared them in order to realize the mayor that he done the mistake, and once a promise made should be complete. That's why we do this kind of. Thank you, dear student. I hope you understood this chapter. Read this chapter once again. Thank you, dear student. Keep yourself safe. Thank you.